Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to draw a bulb in 3D AutoCAD. So open your template and go to model space, and we are going to use cylinder. So by default you are going to be in the top view. We start with cylinder and click on point 10, 10, and then it's asking for the radius. Radius for the cylinder is 15 and the height of the cylinder is 40. So this is in millimeters. I'm going to move this away from this. So we're going to draw a line from the center of the cylinder. So hold Control and then right click and click on center. And if you hover over the edge, it's going to allow you to snap to that. Now have your ortho on so that you can go straight up and type 20. Now add 20 units. That's the center of the sphere for the bulb. So click on that, and then the radius for the bulb, type 30.5, 30 and a half. Now we are going to join those with union. So click on both of them and enter. So this is what it looks like from the front view. Now we are going to use the fillet edge command under solid. Click on this edge and type on radius, 45 radius. Enter twice. Go on top view and draw a rectangle. We need to create a surface or a plane. So draw a plane, and if you click on front view, you will see exactly where that is in elevation. Over here, hold your mouse and right click and click on parallel. Move this line, which actually is a plane, and align it with this line over here. Now if you click on home, type region and click on that rectangle. Enter. Now we are going to slice it. We are going to slice the solid that we created. Slice, select the solid, 3D solid, enter, and it's asking you what to slice with. So we are going to use a planar object. Then select that. And yes, we want to keep both. So enter. And now if we select one, they are both separate. And we can delete this now. That has been separated. Now we are going to fillet the edge at the bottom. Solid, fillet edge, radius 5. Enter twice. Now go to cylinder again. and the radius for this cylinder is 11, and the height for this cylinder is 15. Now we are going to chamfer the edge at the bottom, the distance 2, for the second one also 2. Enter twice. And now we are going to create one small cylinder, and if you can't get to that, then you hold Control and right click and click on center. The radius for this is 7, and then the height is only 2. Now there is going to be a chamfer for that one. And it is the same as before, it already has it, so you can enter twice. And you have your chamfer. Now we are going to use the Helix command to create the threads. So you're going to give it a radius for the helix, and the radius was 11, and then the top radius of also 11, and now we are going to give it turns. Let's give 5 turns, and the height of the helix 11. Now let's go back to the shaded with gray view, and now we are going to draw a circle. I'm going to change the layer for object layer. Now we are going to use a sweep command. Select sweep and select the object to sweep. This is the object that we're going to use, and then you're going to sweep, select the sweep path, and we're going to select helix. And so I've changed that to the conceptual view. Now we are going to subtract the helix from the solid cylinder. Now let's use subtract command now. Let's subtract helix from the cylinder. Subtract objects, and then select helix. Enter, and let's give it a conceptual view. As you can see, it has been subtracted. Now let's go to visualize and material. So first we can go to glass. First we need to change the view to realistic to see those in action first. So glass is on the top and white glass. You can do the white at the bottom. And let's go with metal. Okay, I'll leave that gray color, and then at the bottom completes your bulb. You're done. Happy drawing.